Okay, a while ago we were talking about trading bots and if they work, and I tested a few trading bots, namely the trading bots on KuCoin. And we just used 3 different trading pairs from altcoins to Bitcoin. One was Decentraland, the other one was Rev, and the last one was Burger, because I was hungry at the time and I really wanted to eat something. And we did this as an experiment to see if these bots work out the box. So there are different types of bots you can choose. There's Spot Grid, the volatility killer, sell high and buy low, which I think is the perfect example because we were very volatile the past month. The Futures Grid, which is long short to profit from both trends, Smart Rebalance and DCA. And we chose the Spot Grid right here to see how it went. I stopped the bots. And the reason I stopped the bots is because I came to the conclusion that my initial thoughts on these bots applied. Now, am I saying these bots don't work? Not necessarily. Bear with me here. See, the problem with bots is they rely on different metrics, on different indicators in technical analysis. And if you don't reprogram the bots as time goes by, they don't really perform that well. You need to reprogram the bots or have somebody reprogram them for you with the parameters that will work. And for me, I was actually losing money. Let me show you. See, here you can see total profits is actually minus $452. Now, I only invested $1,500. Well, I lost 1/3 of my shit here. But you have to understand that if I let these run, they could have worked. I just decided to stop them simply because I just feel that in this current market, I would just rather buy the altcoins or hold the altcoins. So I got out of my positions and bought more Decentraland, Mana basically, Sandbox, and Immutable X. And the reason I chose those tokens is because I believe that if the markets recover from here, gaming tokens will go wild and Immutable X has a long way to catch up. I think the massive drop it had, doesn't reflect its use case, if you will. Now again, I'm not saying trading bots do not work. I'm not saying that KuCoin bots do not work. I'll try another one next time. I'll probably try something like the Futures Grid right here. But yeah, essentially when it comes to the spot killer, I think you need to use your own parameters, or maybe it was unlucky, or maybe it was wrong timing, or maybe. Too many maybes for me. But please go ahead and comment down below in the comments section what you believe, if you have any experience from trading bots, and what your take is on this. And if you want to watch my first video where I explain how I got into it, what I used and what I did, I'll leave that link down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.